What's up guys, myself Aditya. Today I'm going to be telling you what is CMD and my top 4 exotic features.
Number 2, CLS command. Suppose we have written all the code and asked CMD a lot of things, and suppose you bruh.
Right on the set.
Camera speed.
Sound production, take 1.
Command prompt or CMD is a command line interpreter in the application.
What interpreter? Entrepreneur or interpreter?
Okay. So command prompt is basically
Bruh.
the big fat notch. Oops, also known as the dynamic island. Tower slippering tongue. The dynamic island is also available for Android.
Just download the Dynamic Island app on Google.
Suppose you're interested in the internet protocol. Buffalo, I'm recording the Buffalo. Please reinstall the copy of the files. Now what should I do next? CMD or command prompt is a command line application. Correct?
Yeah. I showed you the thing also, you can't see me.